So this is going to be just a continuation of vertical asymptotes. You guys have a Khan Academy that you are going to be doing that asks you questions like this, where you have to analyze the asymptotes of a rational function. And so given a function like this, describe the behavior of the function q of x, around the vertical asymptote of -3. We already know vertical asymptote of -3 exists because x plus 3 is a denominator, but it's asking where is the function going as it approaches -3. So I'm going to just explain really quickly what that means. So for this function, which we already spoke about, we know we have a vertical asymptote at -3, 3, and -3. So it's asking, and we did end behavior, so it's very similar. As right, it asks as x approaches -3, q of x approaches what? So as x approaches, let's do 3, +3. As x approaches 3, now there is this little symbol that you're going to see like this. And then as x approaches 3 and then plus. What this means is from the negative end, so from the left. Okay, so I'll actually use two different colors for this so that it's clear what we are talking about. Let's do purple. So we have plus, and then we have minus. So this is saying, and we're doing +3, not -3. So as x approaches 3 from the negative end, so from the left, the function, is it going towards positive infinity or towards negative infinity? Well, this one is going to go towards positive infinity because you see how it's going up here? So as it goes from the left, it goes to positive infinity. So as x approaches 3 from the negative end, what happens? G of x, this is g of x, approaches positive infinity. And so here, I'll even put that in red. Positive infinity. So same concept here. As x approaches 3 from the negative end, where is the function going? Well, we see here it is going towards negative infinity. So as x approaches 3 from the right, or from the positive, g of x approaches what? Negative infinity. So for these functions, what you're going to do for the Khan Academies, my recommendation is to literally take this function, put it into Desmos, and then just look at the behavior. So for this function, which we did also, right? What is the behavior as x approaches, let's say, -10, right? So as x approaches -10 from the left, the function approaches positive infinity, and as it approaches it from the right, it approaches negative infinity. That's all.